Okay, so you want to know how to have a chatbot in your Shopify store, a chatbot to answer questions to your clients offline. You have to go to your Shopify account, log in, and then go to the admin of your shop. And then you have to press this button here, Apps, Add App. Then you have to go to Shopify App Store. Okay, so once you're here, you have to go down here and search for the application, but if it's not appearing, but in my case it is, Sendbird AI Chatbox, but you can search for it in this bar. Then you press Sendbird AI Chatbot, you read this, it has very good rating, so you press install, you wait a few seconds, and then you press install again. And as you can see, the chatbot was installed to my Shopify store. So the last thing you have to do is to configure it. So it's very simple, and you have to log in here. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you in the next Easy Way video. Goodbye.